everyone. It's time to learn how to write Chinese characters. Let's go! 去考啊！Hathaway.有素斋。萌萌的。绕口。she said. Corey Manju. The Shed Armor Man. or local. Connie. Hardest to write. 海獭勇者 Reiko. Why? The character Ta. T is notoriously difficult. It features high stroke count, 16 strokes, complex composition. Combines the radical Quan, Kuan, Beast on the left with the complex component Lai, Li on the right. Intricate structure. The right side Lai itself has multiple layers. 撇 1. 口 Bei, requiring precise placement. It is easy to crowd the strokes or misbalance the character. Low frequency. Ta is relatively uncommon. Character, meaning less writing practice for most people. Supporting characters. Hi, hi, C 9 strokes. Common. 用 yn, ray 9 strokes. Moderately complex. And gh 1 hu 8 strokes. Add to the overall difficulty, but Ta is the primary challenge. Easiest to write. 兔子有睡斋 Why? Both characters are exceptionally simple and fundamental. 兔子体积 only 4 strokes total. 兔 T has 8 strokes, but is a very common, regular structure. 子 Ji is one of the simplest characters. 3 strokes. 折 绝 1. Learned by children very early. 小桃 Shio. To Little Peach, very close contender. 小 Shio. Small is 3 strokes and extremely basic. 桃 To. Peach 10 strokes is more complex than 子, making 兔子 slightly easier overall. Due to 子 key takeaways. Complexity culprit, the character Ta. T. Other in 海獭勇者 makes it objectively the hardest due to stroke count, structural intricacy, and rarity. Simplicity winners. 兔子体积 wins for its minimal stroke count and fundamental characters. 小桃 Shio and 古本 GBN are also very straightforward choices. Compound names. Names like 海獭勇者 and 栗子馒头 are harder primarily due to specific complex characters within them, not necessarily their length. Alone, 那孩子 is long but has simpler average character complexity. Common 等于 easier. High frequency characters 子小八人大桃本 are generally easier to write fluently due to constant practice.